So why unidirectional links are so important when working with graphs? The reason is because as soon as you have graphs with lots of nodes and edges, you fundamentally need to start thinking in paths. What I mean by that is you need to think in a particular path that goes from A to B, from a particular node to another particular node, with the edges. And the reality is that every time you have two edges, in a way, you always have two relationships, right? A, let's say, is owned by B. Well, B owns A. A is managed by B. B is the manager of A. So, when we used to create massive graphs with, the typical sort of blob that happens as soon as you go above 2 or 3 layers, right? And connections, because we created paths, we were able to create really amazing, basically slices of reality that really allow us to get really great insight. Because I see a lot of cases where they create these really cool graphs and then you go like, so what, right? So the whole point of this is that as you create these unidirectional graphs, you start to really get great insight about the graphs themselves, and there's a lot of great advantages that also you have from there. So again, unidirectional links between the graphs.